Imagine losing an ear, and doctors simply grow you a new one. Yep, this is real science, not sci-fi. For decades, kids born with microtia, or people who lost an ear in accidents, had limited options: painful rib cartilage surgery or stiff silicone implants.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
But now, tissue engineers have a wild solution: grow a new ear from your own cells. Scientists extract chondrocyte, cartilage-forming cells, and place them onto a biodegradable scaffold shaped exactly like an ear. As the scaffold dissolves, the cells produce real cartilage. The result? A flexible, living ear that looks and feels natural. A 2013 Cornell study even demonstrated how these ears hold their shape after implantation. Pretty mind-blowing research published in PLoS 1. And in 2022, things got even more futuristic. 3D Therapeutics announced the world's first 3D bioprinted living ear transplant using a patient's own cells. According to clinical data reported through the New England Journal of Medicine, the implant stayed stable, healthy, and matched the patient perfectly. Using your own cells means the body doesn't freak out and reject it. No painful rib harvesting, no hard silicone, just a custom-grown ear tailored, literally, to you. Families describe the results as life-changing. Kids who avoided mirrors for years suddenly gain confidence. Adults feel whole again. But this is just the beginning. Researchers see this as the stepping stone to more complex structures: noses, airways, maybe even fully shaped facial tissue printed from living cells. Of course, it's still early. Long-term stability, large-scale production, and affordability are huge hurdles. Biology is messy. Cells don't always behave the way engineers want. But compared to traditional surgery, lab-grown ears could offer fewer complications, faster healing, and better cosmetic outcomes. It's personalized medicine at its finest. So next time someone jokes about printing a new body part, remember, scientists are already doing it. And it works. The future of reconstructive surgery may be less about cutting, more about growing. What body part do you think scientists should grow next? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to stay curious.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.